Aspect Sync for Android enables you to wirelessly import the photos from your Android-based mobile phone to your photo library. To get started, download the Aspect Sync app from the Play Store. You can find the link below in the video description. After installing it, make sure that your phone is in the same Wi-Fi as your computer and then launch the app on your phone. On your computer, open the Network Device menu in the top right corner. In the menu, click on the Connect button next to the entry that belongs to your phone. A code will now be displayed on your phone, which you then enter here. This connects your two devices and allows the desktop version of Aspect to access the photos on your phone. You can find the phone on the File Browser panel at the bottom left, whenever it is connected to your Wi-Fi and the app is running. The main panel shows the folders on your phone. Usually, you will now want to navigate to the internal shared storage and DCIM folders. Then, click on Add to Library and Import Photos in the top right corner. In the Import dialog, you will see all the photos that are currently on your phone. We recommend that you now set up an auto import so that new photos will be imported automatically whenever the phone is connected to the Wi-Fi. This means that you will always have all the pictures from your phone available on your computer. Now click on Enable Auto Import at the bottom to start importing your photos. Once the photos have been added to the library catalog, you can also review the pictures that are currently being imported at the top of the Recent Imports page. If you want to remove the auto import, you can do so in the device pane by clicking the menu button of the corresponding automatic import entry. Once the import has finished, the photos will be available on the computer, and you can start to edit and organize them in your library. Check out our YouTube channel for more tutorials.